Navigating the world of savings accounts can feel like a financial treasure hunt, and if you're looking at Westpac, it's worth knowing what's on offer. Westpac features a range of savings products, and how much you can earn depends on which one you choose and whether you meet certain conditions. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. For savers focused on reaching a specific goal, the Westpac Life account is designed to reward consistent deposits. It offers a base return, but the real boost comes from a bonus reward. To unlock this extra amount, you generally need to grow your account balance each month. Meet that simple condition, and your savings work significantly harder. Then there is the eSaver account, which often comes with an introductory promotion for new customers. This is typically a higher initial return that applies for the first few months. After that special period ends, the standard ongoing return applies, so it's key to know the timing of that transition. For younger customers, specifically those between the ages of 18 and 29, Westpac sometimes offers an even more competitive total reward on their Life account. This top-tier return usually requires meeting an extra set of requirements, which might include making a certain number of purchases each month using a linked transaction account. In all cases, the final return is a combination of a lower standard base amount plus a variable bonus amount. These advertised returns are always variable and can change. The best approach is to check the latest details for each specific account on Westpac's official website and make sure you understand the exact conditions required to earn that maximum potential return. Always read the fine print to ensure your saving habits align with the account's reward structure.